lấu lấu.
Ủa mình còn dừng đây à, đi à?
Đi rồi đang trên xa lộ mưa đang trên xa lộ.
Ok nó đi.
Ok.
Hello Aries and welcome to Truth Well Told Tarot. This is Andrea and I'm here to do your weekly tarot reading for the week ahead for the sign of Aries, Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus. So I hope you're well, Aries. As always, the reading won't be for everyone. Take what resonates for you. So let's have a look at your tarot reading for the next 7 days. What do we have for our lovely Aries? Thank you, angels, spirits, guides. Week ahead for Aries. So we have Mystic Healer, healing energy flows through you. So you might be embracing healing energy. You can be becoming a healer, connecting to a healer in some way as well. This is the energy of the card. Let's see what else we have. Let's pull an Archangel Michael message for you for the week ahead. Okay, that turned over really quickly. We have number 27, regain your focus. Trivial life matters are distracting you from your goals. Archangel Metatron and I are here to help you stay grounded. That will be a message that you need to hear, regaining your focus. Let's see what we have for you, Aries, your weekly tarot reading for the week ahead. For Aries, what do we have, angel, spirits, guides? Overarching energy first, as we always do for our lovely Aries.
Aries, welcome to Illuminated Tarot. My name is Jenna. Today I'm here to do your June deep dive. We're going to take a look at the overall general energy, what you may not see coming, and get some important advice from Spirit. We're going to first start out with a Sword of Light Oracle. Specifically, I chose this deck because I feel a strong presence of Archangel Michael through Gemini season, of which we're in for the month of June. Many of you are going to be watching this before this blue moon in Sagittarius over the weekend, and I do think that's going to be setting the stage. Whatever insights, downloads, epiphanies that you have over the next 7 to 10 days, I think are really going to set the stage for the rest of the year. And especially around the things that you are needing to release at this time in order to reclaim your sovereignty and your power, whether that's too much screen time.
Hi Aries, welcome to your reading. This is for your Intuition Tarot. This is going to be for Aries, the Sun, Moon, Venus, and Rising. Let's see what messages want to come out for you for the month of June. What are the messages for Aries for June? Okay, you got natural beauty. There you go. Stylish, style, structure, stuff you're looking from. Start looking in the rearview mirror. So orange. All the same color. You got a dark part of character trying to pushing buttons. Be a bigger person, 0 to 100 real quick. You may be having a glow up, and it's like the past is gonna try to. Either it's the past or people around you, but something's trying to trigger you. Someone's trying to trigger you. I feel like you're gonna be in this energy of glowing up. Let me see.
Scan docs and get insights. All your notes, reports, and more. No problem. Now you can get impactful insights, even from scans. Adobe Acrobat Reader.
Aries, there is something the universe needs you to know right now. A door is opening, but there is also something or someone that has been quietly working against your peace, against your progress, against the life you deserve. I want you to take a slow breath before we go into this reading. Light a candle if you have one. Place your hand on your heart. Because what I am about to share with you is not just a tarot reading. It is a message that was meant to find you today, at this exact moment, in this exact season of your life. The cards have been restless with your energy for days. Every time I sat down to read, your vibration kept appearing. Uninvited, persistent, urgent. When that happens, when someone's energy refuses to leave the deck, I know the universe is demanding that a message be delivered. And so here we are. There are souls the universe watches over with particular attention, not because they are fragile, but because they are significant. You are one of those souls, and something has been interfering with your path. What I am going to reveal to you today involves a woman, a specific energy, someone who has moved through your life, past, present, or recently departed, with intentions that were never what she showed you. Someone who looked you in the eye and decided, deliberately, that she would work against you. Sit with that for a moment. Let it land. Because the first step to your healing and your victory is acknowledging what you already, in the quiet places of yourself, already knew. The first card that revealed itself, and it practically leaped from the deck, is the 5 of Swords. This is not a gentle card. This is not a card of misunderstanding or miscommunication. The 5 of Swords is the card of deliberate, conscious, chosen conflict. It is the card of someone who looked at a situation and decided to win at any cost, using any method, regardless of who gets hurt. She picked up weapons against you. Let that be clear. She did not stumble into causing you pain. She did not accidentally fall into betrayal. She chose it. She made a series of decisions, each one a step further into darkness, each one a deliberate act against your well-being. The 5 of Swords asks, what does victory mean to someone who has to harm others to achieve it? It means nothing. It is hollow, and she knows it. Even in her moments of feeling like she won, there is an emptiness inside her that the winning cannot fill. What exactly did she do? The cards show me several possibilities, and the strongest threads are these. She interfered in your relationships, perhaps spreading words that were designed to make others doubt you. She may have inserted herself between you and someone you love, using charm and false concern as her weapons. She may have damaged your name in spaces where you could not defend yourself. She may have tried to block an opportunity that was rightfully yours. Whatever her specific method, the 5 of Swords confirms, it was intentional, it was personal, and it was cowardly. Because those who fight dirty do so because they know they cannot win in the light. The second card deepens the story, the 7 of Swords. If the 5 of Swords showed us that she chose to fight, the 7 of Swords shows us how she fought. In the shadows, with secrets, wearing a face that was not her own. This woman is skilled at deception. I want you to truly hear that, because I know that for a person of your nature,
Who the fuck is this woman,
The
bro?
game moves. Move with it.
Aries. Oh, you did not come here by accident today. The universe sent you straight to this reading because there is something you need to hear, and Spirit was not going to let you scroll past it. So put the phone down, stop moving for 5 seconds. I know that's hard for you, and listen. I am so glad the algorithm, the universe, your own intuition, whatever it was that brought you